This wall of parts for glasses. Here is the camera, and here is the place to put the TF card. Now we try to put the TF card, show how to take the photo. Now the TF card is inside, and then we push the button here until the right light is opening. Then we push again. This is the way to take the photo. And now we show how to make a video. We push this button again until the right line is flash 3 times, and then we release it immediately. Then we will see the right light is on, then it's taking photo, it's taking video. Then we push again. The video is already made. Now we try to take out the photo. We take the USB cable, use these devices. Put inside the USB cable, and another side connect to the computer.